Hey everyone, welcome to this week's tip. So this week we're going to be talking about Quora. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but over here in Italy we've got a lot of different accents going on. So this is a great space, however, to show you as kind of an expert in your area. So I signed up with Facebook and I picked my interests, and then basically every day what happens is I just come to this little answer button, and it gives me questions that I can answer. So are there web developers, designers, or lawyers who would be able to assist in a viable dynamic startup and website projects? So I'm going to go ahead and answer that one. I'm sure there are. This probably isn't a good place to look for them. So here we go. Absolutely. There are tons of ways to find people to help with your projects. You can check out Upwork, TopTal, Guru, Fiverr, and lots more to find people to help you. Me too, and a web designer, happy to help. And then the best part is I get to add a link to my website. I don't want to save the link. I just want to add the link. So, and it should automatically, perfect. So it automatically shrinks the link. So I can go ahead and click submit, and it's going to post to Twitter for me too, so I get a little tweet out of it. Gotta love those Twitters. So let's see what other questions can we answer. I would like to convert a company website from HTML to WordPress. Would the word WordPress show up in the URL? So we're going to go ahead and answer that. So it's okay to answer it even if other people have answered it as well. I'm actually going to answer that. Because your answer might be considered better and people can kind of bump it up. So this guy did a pretty good answer, so yeah, we're gonna leave it all alone. But I have no idea what the treatment for high ESR in blood is. I don't know, so I'm gonna have to pass on that one. What is the best connection when using a laptop as a file server with attachment HDD, wireless, or Ethernet? Wired would probably be your best bet. If there are very large file sizes, this is a little bit techy, it's not necessarily a WordPress question, but since I know the answer, I'm going to throw it in there. If you have large amounts of files to transfer, I would recommend going with a wired transfer, as it will take considerably less. And just throw my website in there just for fun. So what this is also doing is it's creating backlinks. So now Google is seeing that this website, which is a pretty big important one, is linking to my website. So a little added bonus in there too. And that's what I do. I try to go in. My goal is to answer about 3 or 4 questions per day. So I'm out there giving back to the community in every possible way. Even if you can get in once a week and answer some questions, that's a huge, huge thing for you right there. All right, everyone. See you next week. Bye.